On this episode, we're going to be going over ENSENIOR's 4400 lumen shop lighting, so stay tuned. So I do a lot of my videos here inside my garage, and I'm just slowly starting to renovate this place. And one of them that I really want to tackle is this lighting issue that I have. As you can see, I have these string of lights. It's not in the best setup ever. And you can see that one of them is actually just dangling up there in the ceiling. Not secured really well. Still have this lighting that I have here that's not even working anymore. The cord's actually cut. So I'm planning to just do light management right now, and I'm so happy for ENSENIOR for providing this product right here. I also like to add that since Father's Day is coming up this weekend, this will probably be a perfect gift for all you fathers out there. Each pack does come with 4 lighting. And if you're interested in this product, friends, again, I'll leave the link on the description down below. Go check it out if you do end up liking this. And we're also, stay tuned for the end of this video because we're going to be doing a Lumens light test, okay? With the current lighting that we have right now, let's do a quick test right quick on how much lux or foot candles that are being outputted by all these lights inside this square footage of my garage. Let's go measure how much light is actually being produced inside here in my garage using this light meter. Again, this light meter is going to be around 4 foot from the ceiling down. The closer you go up, the higher the reading is, but we're going to maintain the distance about 4 feet or 4 to 5 feet down from the ceiling. So let's turn this on. So take that into account, 4 to 5 feet from the ceiling. For the lux, we are reading about 256.4. So as for foot candles, we are reading around 25.07. Remember these numbers, friends, because we're going to be comparing these numbers after we install these ENSENIOR lighting. The first order of business is we're going to take out that old lighting system that we have. We're going to take these off. Before I go on, as you can see, my garage ceiling is kind of dated, so it needs a lot of patchwork. So stay tuned for my future videos. We're going to be doing a complete remodel of the ceiling of this garage. Now it's time to take down these old incandescent lighting that I have. We don't need it. The cord's actually cut off right there, so it doesn't do us any good with here. It's just an eyesore. Let's bring out the big boys. Oh shoot. Wasn't expecting that. Oops. Alright, so I think I have a new project where I have to repaint the whole top of this garage ceiling. At least we'll remember from now on where that spot is because of that unpainted surface. And as you can see right here, incandescent light bulbs. So whoever installed this, I'm guessing Ken, if you installed this, I'm sorry. It's time to upgrade. Just for the sake of the video, we're just going to do a quick product review and test out how bright these lights are. I'm just going to prep this later on and show you guys how I do and fix all this in the future video, but we're going to focus more on the product itself. So let's go and start installing these ENSENIOR lights. Here are all the lights. There's 2 LED lights per set. And what I like about this, if we zoom in right here, what I like about these is actually you can string them together one by one. But what's great about this is it pretty much has this really long cord. It's like about 4 feet long. What I didn't like about my past lighting was when you connect them, you only got about this a 1.5 feet of cord compared to this 4 feet of cord right here. And each one has actually a switch. So if you don't want to use a certain type of light, you can just turn that off. Each one of them is about the same length, each one with its own switch. So that comes in handy in case you don't want to use each and every one of your lights. Saves electricity, given it's already LED, not incandescent, which already will save you a lot of energy in the first place. And yes, I am wearing slippers. So you do have a choice. You can either hang these with this chain right here. If you have like a little work table and you want to hang it, it's completely up to you. In my case, I'm just going to hang it with these screws at the back. They have these little inserts right there after you install the screws. pretty okay with in my case. I don't want it hanging down too low, but you do have that option. There you have it, friends. All four installed, perfectly aligned, 30 inches spaced, 53-inch from the edge. This one will be going to that main plug right there. What's great about this is the cord is long. It's about 4 feet, so you can pretty much space these out pretty far apart, but we only need a little bit of cord anyways. So I actually messed up. I had to flip a few of these around because what you need is this one, the corded side has to hook up on one of the side that's not corded right there. So corded, non-corded, corded, non-corded, and this cord will go to that plug right there. So let's turn on this light first. On this one, see how you can turn on. Notice how you can turn them on independently. If you don't want to use this, you can turn that off as well. So there you have it, friends, all installed. These are the ENSENIOR shop lights, 4400 lumens. You can do more cord management. You can actually customize it and feed these cords up above your ceiling. This one's fine because this is actually just my garage. It's a shop. More concerned about the lighting, but check that out. See, look how bright these are compared to the other ones. Let's do a final test. Let's compare it to what it was before. Let's use our LED light meter. Again, let's look at the foot candles. This is 4 to 5 feet above from the ceiling. Foot candles is now reading. Let's hold it right here. So the foot candles is now reading 92.8. Lux is now reading at 1053. Now this is just this one spot, okay? So you know that this is much higher than what we had before. So just by looking at my garage right now, it is really lit up in here. It's so bright compared to what we had before. That one, I'll install the other 4 on that side once I get my car out. But you can see how nice and bright these are. So thank you, ENSENIOR, for sponsoring today's video. So check out ENSENIOR shop lights. I'll leave the link on the description down below if you're interested on this product. Perfect time. If you order today, you'll probably get it by Father's Day. So yeah, check these out. These are awesome. Makes your lighting in your garage or your shop a lot brighter. So thank you, friends. If you found this video helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you, friends, on the next product review video, how to DIYs on this channel. I'll see you next time.